Let's talk about chemical stress. So chemical stress is any kind of chemical that is going to create a bad type of response. So soda has acid and sugar, bad response. You can eat candy, a lot of sugar, bad response. You cannot brush your teeth, right? Now you have the bacteria on your teeth creating acid, not good. So there you go. It's very, very simple, right? You got the good foods, the bad foods, good drinks, bad drinks. They enter into your body through the mouth, and it creates either good things, good results, or bad results. And so you got to be aware of the things that you do. You understand and you know that the choices you have, and that when you make a decision to eat the things that can create the issues, well, you know what's going to happen. And especially when you don't counteract those decisions with the proper decisions of home hygiene or professional care, it's going to get more and more complicated and more severe. So just be careful with the food you eat, the things you drink. I'm not saying that to have fun, because that just won't be practical. I enjoy a good cup of coffee here and there, right? I enjoy a sweet here and there. However, I don't make it a consistent basis where it's day in, day out, right? So know what you eat and drink have an impact on your mouth, and it's all because of the chemical stress, right? So stay healthy, brush your teeth, come and see us, eat good food, good drinks. We'll see you soon.